Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix error 2503 in Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, type File Explorer, open File Explorer. Now click on this C drive where you see this Windows icon, open that file. Now in here click on Windows. In this list find out temp folder, this one. So right click on it. Now right click on this folder, then click on properties. Now click on advanced. Now select security tab, then click on advanced. Now click on continue. Now click on continue. Now select your current user, then click on add. Now click on select and select a principal. Now type here everyone. Now click on check names, then click on OK. Now select full control, then click on OK. Now select everyone. Now click on apply. It will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now click on OK. OK, and restart your PC or laptop. So guys, using these simple and easy steps, we can resolve and we can fix error 2503 in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.